In this video, we're going to show you how to use gaming with Amazon Prime and get free in-game contents. Before we proceed, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Let's get started. First, open this link in your phone. It will open the Amazon app and Gaming with Prime page. Here you'll see a list of available games from where you can claim free in-game content. As of now, the list only contains 6 games, they might add more in the future. Now tap on any game, and it will show you all the details about how you can claim the in-game content for that particular game. Now let's download the app and see if it works. I've already downloaded this game, so I'll just launch it. Now first it will ask you to log in. Just log in with the method you usually do. Now go to this event section. So this step can be different for other games. So make sure you read the details for every game on the Prime Gaming page about how to claim the contents. Okay, now down here you'll see a card for the Amazon Prime Gaming. Tap on this to avail the free contents. It will ask you to log in with your Prime account. Do it. Then allow all the required permissions. And claim the in-game content. There you have it, your free content. Now you can do the same process for the other games too and claim the in-game contents. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. I love free software TV for more videos like this.